ETIM migration. In this video, we'll walk through the process of migrating product data to the latest version of the ETIM classification. The ETIM classification is regularly extended and updated to reflect market needs and evolving technologies. A new stable version of the ETIM classification is released approximately every 2 years. To ensure compatibility, each new version of the ETIM classification is integrated into ETIM-Mapper. Reference images and synonyms are updated, and all products are automatically migrated. The new classification version becomes the default for Exchange, BM-CAT, and Excel exports. New versions may include new product classes, additional features or values, and structural changes. Outdated elements may be removed or replaced with successors. When a class is deleted, a successor is usually indicated. This can be either an existing class or a newly created one. For example, class optical fiber has been removed and replaced by the existing class fiber optic cable. In other cases, a single class may be replaced by several new ones, like cutting grinding disk, which was split into 2 new classes. Conversely, sometimes multiple older classes are merged into one, as seen when 3 different monitor classes were consolidated into a single new class. These changes aim to keep the classification system clear, up-to-date, and easier to use, so it's important to stay informed. Product descriptions are automatically migrated using official mappings provided by ETIM International. All affected products are listed in the Migration Assistant, grouped by class, and require confirmation of changes. Only products affected by changes appear in the Assistant. These include changes in class, feature, value, or unit. Changes in class are shown using the format old class, new class. If the deleted class has a unique successor, the products are moved to the new class. In the case of ambiguous mappings, when a removed class has multiple successors, the product is moved to the best fitting class, and alternative successors are listed after the selected class. If the names are the same, the change happened within the class. Clicking a class reveals specific changes, new features, new values, or unit conversions. A new feature is marked in green. Its values are empty and need to be filled in. Another feature marked in green already has values, indicating it existed in the previous version. Entering group modification mode and expanding the list of available values shows that values not present in the previous version have been added. They are also marked in green. Scroll through the class to check all features. Some values may need to be added, updated, or confirmed. You can apply changes to multiple products at once, selecting them or filtering if necessary. Once updates are complete, select the products and confirm the migration from the menu. This is done by selecting all products and choosing the Confirm the Migration option from the hamburger menu. Alternatively, only selected products can be confirmed instead of all. Now let's look at another class, EC010994. Here, units have changed and kilowatts replaced by watts. The system automatically recalculates values during unit migration, in this case multiplying by 1,000. A similar appearance and changes are present in the second case, where the unit has also been changed. We have a column with the old unit and a column with the new unit, and values have been appropriately converted. Let's look at another case in class, EC010197. Here, 21 products are awaiting confirmation. We see a feature with a grayed out name and values, meaning that it is permanently removed and no longer reusable. When a removed feature has a replacement, the old feature and its successor are shown together, gray followed by green. This facilitates comparison and correction, or just confirmation of migrated values. The new ETIM version and the migration process do not change the settings of existing Exchange or BM-CAT export links. These links will continue to deliver product data based on the ETIM version they were originally created with. To provide technical information in the new ETIM version, you'll need to generate and share a new export link. Migrating to the latest ETIM version keeps your product data accurate and aligned with industry standards. With ETIM-Mapper, most of the work is done for you, while still giving you full control and transparency.